Namaste everyone, and welcome back to our journey through the Bhagavad Gita. Today, we begin Chapter 7, Jnana Vijnana Yoga, the Yoga of Knowledge and Wisdom, where Lord Krishna reveals deeper truths about His divine nature and how we can truly know Him. Stay with me as we explore each verse with meaning and reflection. Jnana Vijnana Yoga, the Yoga of Knowledge and Wisdom. In this chapter, Lord Krishna is the speaker, addressing Arjuna. Krishna said, "O Arjuna, listen how you shall know me completely, with your mind attached to me, practicing yoga and taking refuge in me, without any doubt. I shall now declare to you in full this knowledge along with wisdom, which once known, nothing further remains to be known in this world. Among thousands of men one may strive for perfection, and among those who strive, hardly one knows me in truth. Earth, water, fire, air, ether, mind, intellect, and ego, these are the 8 divisions of my material nature. Besides this inferior nature, O Arjuna, there is a higher nature of mine. The living beings, who are the source of this world's activity, know that all beings are born of these 2 natures. I am the origin and dissolution of the entire universe. There is nothing higher than me, O Arjuna. All this is strung on me like pearls on a thread. I am the taste in water, O son of Kunti, the light in the moon and the sun, the sacred syllable Om in the Vedas, the sound in ether and the ability in men. I am the pure fragrance of the earth and the brilliance in fire. I am the life in all beings, and I am the austerity of ascetics. Know me, O Arjuna, as the eternal seed of all beings. I am the intelligence of the intelligent and the splendor of the splendid. I am the strength of the strong, devoid of desire and attachment. I am the desire in beings, O Arjuna, not contrary to Dharma. Whatever states of being there may be, sattvic, rajasic, or tamasic, know them to be from me alone. But I am not in them. They are in me. Deluded by the 3 gunas modes, the world fails to recognize me, who am beyond these and imperishable. This divine energy of mine, made of the 3 gunas, is difficult to overcome. But those who take refuge in me cross over this illusion. The deluded, the lowest of men, whose knowledge is stolen by illusion and who are demonic in nature, such persons do not surrender unto me. 4 types of virtuous people worship me, O Arjuna: the distressed, the seeker of knowledge, the seeker of wealth, and the wise one. Of these, the wise one, who is ever steadfast and devoted to me, is the best. I am very dear to the wise, and they are dear to me. All these are noble, but the wise one is considered as my very self. For with a steady mind, they are devoted to me alone as the supreme goal. After many births, a wise one surrenders unto me, realizing that Vasudeva is all. Such a great soul is very rare. Those whose discrimination has been stolen by desires surrender to other deities, following particular rites and forms driven by their own nature. Whatever form a devotee desires to worship with faith, I make their faith steady in that form. Endowed with that faith, they worship that form and obtain their desires from it, though these blessings are indeed granted by me alone. But the fruit gained by those of limited understanding is temporary. The worshippers of the gods go to them, but my devotees come to me. The ignorant think of me, the unmanifest, as having come into manifestation. They do not know my higher nature, which is imperishable and supreme. I am never manifest to all. Veiled by my divine energy, Yoga Maya, the deluded world does not recognize me, the unborn and eternal. I know all beings, past, present, and future, but no one knows me, O Arjuna. All beings are born into delusion, overcome by dualities arising from desire and hate. But those whose sins are destroyed, who are free from the dualities of delusion, and who are steadfast in vows, They worship me with firm resolve. Those who strive for liberation from old age and death, taking refuge in me know Brahman, the whole field of action, and all action in its entirety. Those who know me as the Supreme Spirit, as the Supreme God, and as the Supreme Sacrifice, even at the time of death, they know me in truth. You've just listened to Chapter 7, Jnana Vijnana Yoga, where Lord Krishna reveals his divine nature and teaches us the true knowledge that leads to liberation. He reminds us that everything we seek, power, peace, purpose, is found in knowing and surrendering to him alone. If this touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe for more Gita chapters in English. Jai Shri Krishna. Hare Krishna.